Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the people who don't know me, my name is Maribel, and I just want to say welcome back, guys. So I've been MIA for a while. It's already the 3rd, January 3rd. It's been a while, guys. Thank you guys for the new subscribers. I just want to say welcome to my channel. I really want to give you guys thanks for all the people that have watch my videos. Thank you so much. And for the new people that have subscribed to my channel, thank you guys. Welcome. I hope you guys enjoy my video today. So I haven't done any videos like that I do my makeup and all that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one today. I have no clue, like I said, I don't have no clue of what to do, so we'll just go with the flow. Okay, I look like I'm in the fall vibes because I'm wearing this hoodie sweater. I have a little bit of music on just because I don't want to make it awkward, like so quiet. Si me enfada luego lo pago, but like for now I feel like I'm fine. So happy New Year's, guys, and Merry Christmas. I hope you guys had a good one. I sure did. He notado que casi no hablo español en mis videos, so I'm gonna try to speak Spanglish how I normally do. Because yo sé que mucha de mi audiencia habla español, como mis tías, mis primas de México son las que me ven más, parece. So quiero también que ellas me entiendan. So I'm sorry, guys, if you guys don't understand Spanish o si no entienden inglés. I'm just sorry. It's kind of hard to talk both English and Spanish. So voy a hablar como bilingüe. And I noticed que las captions de YouTube, they're not right. They say like dumb things, so yeah. So, ¿qué les puedo decir, muchachos? Casi no he grabado, y muchachos, si están viendo, casi no he grabado videos de haciendo mi maquillaje. Ya desde que me fui para México no he hecho casi nada, nomás grabar cuando decoré mi casa. Y no he hecho videos nada de eso, solo sí. Ya me preparé la cara, nomás voy a poner un poquito de moisturizer. Ahí también Culiacán. Paso a paso subir la escalera. Muchos años tengo en el poder. Aquellos que han querido bajarme de acá arriba los no creen. Sigo siendo el más chingón de todos. Soy el Mayo Zamba del Bellamo. Eso, les voy a platicar un poquito. So, cuando fui para México, no llevaba mucho tiempo. Nomás fui por 10 días. Y obviamente si van a México saben que eso no es suficiente. Especialmente si vas a ir como a 2 lados. Este año quiero entrar being more positive. I mean, I don't think I'm a negative person or anything like that, but just like focus more on myself, focus more on my family, just, you know, do me. Porque hay mucha gente que son criticonas, que piensan que son la gran mierda and they have to be like them. Like, qué gordo eso. My brows look hideous right now, but guys, don't worry. It's gonna come out okay. Ahorita los que están allá son mis parents. My mom's actually in Michoacán and Tepeque, and my dad's in his town. He actually went to go fix some of the house up, just because now that he knows that we'll be going to Mexico more often. He wanted to finish some of it. Changed the stairs how they were before, just because the steps were like too tall. To paint the room, put floor. So it's actually coming out really cute, which I'm excited. I can't wait to go back to Mexico. Pero ahorita ya andan en México ellos. They went for like almost 2 months. Look at them. ¿Quién como ellos? Antes iba yo por como 2 meses para México, but now that I'm with Oscar, no le dan mucho time. I'm pretty sure que a mí tampoco no me dieran tanto time. Maybe a month. Sí, como está quedando mejor, guys. Hay gente que le gusta la ceja oscura como a mí. Y hay gente que le gusta la ceja pelona. And that's fine. Do you. Do the one that you like. A mí me gusta oscura. Pero yo, porque no te gusta la ceja oscura, no quiere decir que debemos que hacerla como a ti se te pegue la gana. Do what makes you happy. And this makes me happy, guys. Imagínate en mi cuarto. Ok, ahora vamos a ir a los ojos. ¿Qué nos hacemos en los ojos? He comprado muchas, ¿cómo se dice? Muchos palettes. So, a ver, ¿cómo que? So I'm using the Juvia's palette. This is called the Festival. And the color that I'm using is this one up here. It's called, oh no, sorry, I'm using this one. This one's called Oro. That one. Vamos a ver how pigmented they are. Okay, I see you. I see you, Oro. Can you see it? Casi no, huh? Never mind, I don't see you. Cause I don't know better if you try to look at me. Pero si me pone la canción, me da una depresión. Guys, now I'm gonna use this one. This one's called Ofala. Ofala? Whatever, I might be pronouncing it wrong, but I don't care. Imagine, guys, que yo según grabando y que no estuviera grabando yo. I'm going to cut the crease. Ok, so cuando ya tengas tu crease, voy a dejar que se seque un poquito. Vamos a hacer un crease, a ver qué color le pongo. Voy a poner como algo suavecito. Voy a usar este aquí. I'm gonna use this one. Honestly, this is Manwu. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah. Whatever. There we go. Manwu. Anyways, whatever. I'm gonna use this one for here, okay? Now guys, I'm gonna do something else. I don't know if I'll ruin the look or not, but here we go. I'm gonna use this color, the blue one. Ava. It's called Ava. Alright, go on. Cabrón. Vamos a usar un eyeliner. That's how I do my eyeliner. The eyeliner that I use, guys, it's the, let me show you guys. It's the NYX, is it NYX? Whatever. Epic ink liner, and it has this tip. I love it. See how quick it was? Let me go choose my eyelashes, then I'll put them on. Okay guys, I'm gonna wear these from Queen V Lashes. These are called, they're called Mexicana. There we go. Wow, they're cute. Very cute. So you have to make sure you cut your eyelash. Guys, the eyelash that I use is the Kiss clear strip lash adhesive. This one's really good. I love it. That's the only one I've ever used, and I love it. I love it already, see? Okay, I'm just gonna do my makeup, then I'll finish my eye, okay? I'm just going to contour my face. ¿Cuál papada? Okay guys, so now I'm gonna finish my eyes. Voy a terminar los ojos. No sé si voy a usar... ¿Qué color uso abajo? ¿El azul? ¿Uso el azul? So I use the blue color. I'm gonna use this one. Oduga? Odagu. I don't know, guys. Hard to pronounce. Oh, super cute. Me gusta mucho, guys. So, I did this whole eye color. I mean, yeah, eye color, right? Just using the Festival by Juvia's. Really cute. Almost done. I just need to put down put my mascara on the lower. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope que les haya gustado, guys. So I just want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I was able to do this look with just this. And the lipstick is the Kylie Jenner lip kit, the autumn color. It looks really cute. Really love it, guys. Anyways, guys, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the look today, and I hope you guys do it. If you guys do try to do it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, social media, whatever. But I really like this look, guys. I hope you guys do too. Bye.